Hey scholars, in this video we will be looking at addition, subtraction and multiplication of binary. Now we're going to begin with addition, looking at the basics of addition. We have 0 plus 0 is equivalent to 0. Same thing as 0. 1 plus 0 is the same thing as 1 in binary. Now let's see another example. 1 plus 1. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and 2 in binary makes 10. That is, put down 0, carry 1, bring down the 1, and it's equal to 1. And in decimal form, 1 is equal to 1, 1 equal to 1, and that is 2. So 1 0 is equivalent to 2 in decimal or base 10. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1, we got to add 3, 1 1 1. That is 3, and 3 in binary means 11. Put down 1 and bring down the next 1. So 1 1 1 addition is equivalent to 1 1. Let's see another example. 1 0 1 0 plus 1 0 0 1. You can go ahead and try this one out. Now what you need to do is to arrange the numbers or the digits in rows, as you can see. So we'll begin with the addition, as you can see. Now the first column, 0 plus 1 is 1. Second column, 1 plus 0 is 1. And the third column, you can see 0 plus 0 is 0. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, but 2 in binary means 10, so put down 0 and carry 1. You can bring down the 1, as you can see. So that is the answer. Now let's see subtraction of binary. The basics: 1 minus 0 is same thing as 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0 because there's nothing left in binary. Let's see some more examples. 1 0 minus 1, and what you see there is a simple in binary. In decimal, 1 0 is equivalent to 2, and 1 is also equivalent to 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 in decimal or base 10. Okay, now to simplify this, the first column, 0 minus 1 cannot. So borrow 1 from the next one. What is left there is 0, and 2, 1 is equal to 1, and then you have 0 left, and that's equivalent to 1. It's the same thing. Now let's see another example. We have 1 0 0 minus 1 0. Now what you do is simple. 1, you can see that the numbering is also 1 2 4. So 100 is the same thing as 4, and 10 is the same thing as 2. So you subtract, you have 2 in decimal. So the first column, 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 1 cannot. So you borrow 1, call it 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. You have 0 left, bring down the 0. So the answer is equivalent, 1 0 equivalent to 2 in decimal. Let's see another example. 1 0 0 minus 1. Now you can see the first column, 0 minus 1 cannot. So you go ahead and borrow 1 from the next one. When you borrow 1 from there, you can call it 2. What is left there is 0. Put a 2 up and borrow again from that 2. And when you borrow from that 2, it becomes 2 again on top of the next number when you borrow. So it becomes 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. You have 1 left, bring it down, which is 1. Nothing left there is 0. Now let's see multiplication of binary. For example, you have 101 times 11. Now 101, you can see, is equivalent to 5. Equivalent to 5. And if you number, you're going to have the number as 1, 2, 4 as the numbering. Okay, so 1 and 1, you see there, will give you 5. And you have 1, 1 to give you 3. So 101 in binary, in decimal means 5, and 11 means 3. So 3 times 5 is 15. Okay. Now let's carry out the multiplication carefully. Now what you have there in the first column, 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1, that is this one and this one, is equal to 1. And fill that place up with 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 0 is 0. And 1 times 1 is 1. You just do it the way you do multiplication, normal multiplication of numbers, as you can see. But 1 times the 101 gives you 101. So 1 times any number is the same thing. And that 1 times the 101 gives you the other 101. So you can see that 1 times any number is the same thing as the number. You can see. Now, let's carry out the addition. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. And 1 plus 0 is 1. Bring down the 1 that you can see. Thank you for watching this video.